let me show you the way that you can set up the Signal pin. A Signal pin is used to recover your profile or your settings, even your contacts inside of the Signal app. You are asked to create a pin whenever you are new to Signal and whenever you register your phone number. If you don't yet have a pin registered or a pin set, the way that you can do it is through the settings. If you tap on the profile icon on the top left, you'll see the option called account. You just need to head over to it. And right here, you'll see the option called either a change pin option or set up a pin option if you have not yet set up. So tap on this option on the top, and then you'll need to create a 4-digit pin. You can also choose to create a alphanumeric pin, meaning you can also add in letters to your pin as well. But if you just want the numbers option, make sure you select the other option and then set up a 4-digit pin. Again, reconfirm your pin in the second section and then tap on next. And just like that, you have now successfully created your pin inside of Signal. Make sure you remember your pin in order to access your account on a different device as well. That's all there is in setting up a pin inside of Signal. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe if you guys are interested in more future videos similar to this.